If you no longer want EA Sports to track your playtime, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and disable playtime tracking. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to disable playtime tracking on EA Sports, go ahead and log into your account. And once you're on your account, go to your account icon here or profile and then choose settings. From settings, head over to playtime, and under playtime, scroll down until you see Playtime Controls. If you click on Playtime Controls, now you'll have here an option to disable playtime tracking. As you can see here, you're told if you disable playtime tracking, you won't be able to see your logged in hours or set daily limits for yourself. If you're okay, go ahead and click on disable, then confirm by opt out. And now, as you can see here, playtime tracking has been disabled. So that's how you can disable playtime tracking on EA Sports. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.